You know what? For years, everyone, including me, has been screaming about how EVs are the future for your wallet. But what if I told you there's an upcoming car that will crush your petrol bills at just 3.86 Indian rupees per kilometer, making it cheaper to run than even some budget EVs for many Indian families? And it's not an EV. It's the Kia Carens Clavis CNG. Here's the one engineering secret why this factory-fitted CNG matters more than you think. The story. For too long, if you wanted a factory-fitted CNG, especially in a family-sized MPV, your options were, well, pretty limited. Maruti ruled the roost. But Kia is about to shake that up, big time, with the Carens Clavis CNG. We've seen spy shots, dealer listings, and insider information confirms this isn't just a rumor. The India launch for the Carens Clavis CNG is expected very, very soon. Think before the festive season, late September to early October 2024. This isn't just another variant. This is Kia's strategic move to capture the massive demand for cost-efficient family transport that a pure EV simply cannot fulfill yet, especially for those long highway runs or larger families. Globally, integrated CNG solutions are a mark of serious engineering, and Kia is bringing that commitment to India. Specs that matter. Let's talk real numbers for you, the Indian buyer. The Carens Clavis CNG will likely come with Kia's proven 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine, but specifically tuned for CNG. Expect a power output of around 88 to 90 horsepower and a healthy 120 newton-meters of torque when running on CNG. The crucial figure? A real-world mileage of approximately 22 to 25 kilometers per kilogram. With CNG prices in major cities like Delhi hovering around 80 Indian rupees per kilogram, that translates directly to a running cost of just 3.86 Indian rupees per kilometer. Compare that to a petrol Carens, giving around 14 kilometers per liter at 100 Indian rupees a liter, costing you 7.14 Indian rupees per kilometer. This is almost half. Now, what about space? The Carens is already a king here. The CNG tank will undoubtedly occupy some boot space, but unlike aftermarket installations that often consume the entire trunk, factory-fitted systems are usually optimized for minimal intrusion. Expect a usable boot for a couple of soft bags even with the third row up and substantially more when folded. Ground clearance of 195 millimeters will remain unchanged, crucial for our varied Indian roads. You're looking at a 6-seater or 7-seater configuration, perfect for that joint family trip or your carpool duties. India pricing breakdown. This is where the rubber meets the road. The Kia Carens Clavis CNG is expected to launch with an ex-showroom price starting from 12.49 Indian rupees lakh. This positions it very aggressively. Let's break down your potential out-of-pocket expenses. Ex-showroom price. Indian rupee 49,000. On-road price estimate for a city like Bengaluru or Mumbai, approximately Indian rupee 14,60,000. This includes your RTO registration at around 12%, which is Indian rupee 150,000, comprehensive insurance for the first year, 50,000 Indian rupees, and other charges. Your EMI at 8.5% interest over 60 months on a loan amount of Indian rupee 14,60,000. Your monthly EMI would be roughly 29,900 Indian rupees. Running cost per kilometer. As we established, 3.86 Indian rupees per kilometer. Think about it. This is a robust, safe, feature-packed family vehicle that costs less to fuel per kilometer than even a budget EV like the Tata Tiago EV, which averages 1.2 Indian rupees per kilometer if you charge at home, but comes with an upfront cost starting from 8 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom for a much smaller vehicle. The initial investment for an EV might be higher, and for many Indian families, that upfront cost is the real barrier, not just the per-kilometer running cost. Competition comparison. The Carens Clavis CNG will primarily go head-to-head with the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga CNG and the XL6 CNG. Let's put them side by side. Maruti Suzuki Ertiga Vichy CNG starts around 10.74 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. On road around 12.5 Indian rupees lakh. Running cost is similar at about 3.6 Indian rupees to 3.8 Indian rupees per kilometer. Maruti Suzuki XL 6 Zeta CNG starts around 12.51 Indian rupees lakh.